Hey guys, now that we know how to set up the settings menu, I just wanted to do a video on how we can pull these settings so that we can use them in our study. So first thing we're going to do is look at what settings we have. So we have two settings. We have a string setting and we have a color. So I'm going to create two variables. First one is going to be color, and then the second one is going to be string. So to get this settings menu data, we're going to use the get settings function here, and then for whatever setting it is, since this is a color setting, all we have to do is to get color. And then what we put in here is the ID. So that is going to be this second one. So the ID of the descriptor is what we'll input here. So we're going to input color. And then for the string, it is pretty similar. We just do get settings and then get string. And then we're going to input the ID, which in this case is string. And now to show you that how to also log this information, we have 4 ways that we can log information. So we can show that we got this info and print it on the log. So the log things that we can do is debug, info, warning, and then also error. So I'm going to use the info log. So I'm just going to do, since this isn't a debugging or warning or error, I'm just going to put info, and then we're going to input the string. I'm going to do color space and then plus color plus, I'm going to do a space to make this spaced out, string, and then plus string variable there. So now we have successfully pulled the information and we are going to print it so you can see what this looks like on the log. So I'm going to save this and we are going to deploy it. So I'm going to run target, and then I'm going to go to Motivewave, and I'm going to remove this, and we are going to add the study again. And first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go up here to view display and then study log here. So I'm going to go there, and then I'm going to go to the studies, add the tutorial, and I am going to pull up that log again. So as you can see right now, it is 14:15:46, and we can see it printed color, and then it printed this, and the string obviously isn't set yet, so there is no string value. So if we put a string value, and then let's create that. Now I'm going to go back to this, and now we can see it has printed on the log of the info type. It's printed the default color there and hello world. So that's pretty much how we can pull from the settings menu and use that data in our indicator.